Now we turn to the unfolding drama within Iran's exiled opposition, where Raza Pahlavi, son of the last Shah of Iran, has seen a major collapse in support, not just inside Iran but across large parts of the diaspora. Why? Because when Israel bombed Iran, killing over 900 innocent Iranian civilians, Pahlavi not only failed to condemn the attacks but he rallied behind them, calling it a Berlin Wall moment and urging Iranians to rise up and overthrow the regime. So he tried to gain power through this but ended up getting red-faced all across the world. Pahlavi, speaking from Paris just hours before the ceasefire on the June 24, claimed that the Islamic Republic was collapsing and positioned himself as the new leader and as the transitional leader. But instead of mass protests, Iranians rallied behind the nation in the face of foreign aggression, rejecting both Israel's strikes and Pahlavi's call for insurrection. He has destroyed the Pahlavi brand, said the Iranian expert Trita Parsi, after Pahlavi excused Israeli bombings on civilian areas across Iran, which was actually a violation of all sorts of international law. This is not the first time that Pahlavi's ties to Israel have been exposed and have drawn criticism. In 2023, he visited Tel Aviv with his wife, posed with Benjamin Netanyahu, and prayed at the Western Wall while ignoring Al-Aqsa, one of Islam's biggest and important and most holiest sites. For most Iranians, secular or religious, this was a big red line that he crossed, and with time he continues to cross the red line. And this is why analysts say that this close association with Israel is not about influence inside Iran, but about Israel using Pahlavi to justify its own hostility towards Tehran. Israel points to Pahlavi and says, "Look, Iranians want us to bomb them," said Parsi while commenting on this matter. Even within the Iranian opposition, Pahlavi's behavior has isolated him completely. A 2023 coalition of major activists, including Nobel laureate Sheri Ebadi and football legend Ali Karimi, quickly collapsed when Pahlavi refused sharing leadership and expected full control of that opposition leadership. He has also allied himself with the hardline United States think tanks that push for harsher sanctions and for the regime change across Iran, policies that have actually devastated ordinary Iranians and not the regime elite. So this shows that Pahlavi only wants a grab of power and he does not care about what the ordinary Iranians want. He's asking Iranians to rise up while living in a mansion in Washington, D.C., said one British Iranian critic. Pahlavi once symbolized a return to secular Iran, but today his alignment with Israel actually is tone deaf and calls for uprising during a war, and refusal to share power have turned him from here to a political liability both for Iran's opposition and for those seeking credible change.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।